Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine,
Fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine. Okay, I'm fine. Okay, children. So I will mute then one by one. What we have discussed in the last class, I will call. Okay, children. Good afternoon. It's raining. Yes.
Good afternoon,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. I will call one by one because it will disturb others. Okay. Okay. So I will call by name. Okay. So in the Agnay, can you please unmute and say what we are discussing in the what we were discussing in the last class? Which questions in the workbook? Please unmute. Unmute. Agnay.
Ma'am,
Okay. We were discussing which questions in the last class?
17th and 18th.
17th and 18th. What was we were doing?
Comparing.
Comparing. Okay. Then we in the last we were saying no. We were going to discuss about ascending
Ascending.
order and descending
Descending.
order. Okay. Please mute. Devak, please unmute.
Yes,
What do you mean by ascending order?
From the smallest to highest.
Smallest to high. Okay, we can say small to big. Okay, small number to largest number. Okay, so this we have discussed in the smaller classes till 10,000 we have discussed in the last, I think class 4. Now we are learning what? Lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So the same ascending order means small to big. Okay. So, okay, please mute. Adil, can you please unmute and say what do you mean by descending order?
Ma'am,
Descending order. Descending. The word D itself, it's
Big to small.
big to small, descending, down. We are going like down, okay? From big to small. So here, all the children, what you have to do, we are dealing with large numbers. Large numbers here. In India, Anusri, can you please unmute and speak in large numbers, say in place value chart in Indian system from the back
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Yes. Ones,
Ones, tens,
tens,
hundreds,
hundreds,
thousands,
thousand,
10,000.
10,000. Please unmute. Unmute. Yes, Anusri.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
10,000,
10,000.
lakhs,
Lakh.
lakhs, 10 lakhs,
10 lakh.
crore,
Crore. 10 crore.
10 crore.
Okay. So, children, when
Can I
we
mute?
want, okay, mute. So, what we are doing, we are going to compare the numbers and going to arrange ascending and descending. Arranging ascending means small to big number. Descending means big to small. Okay. So, when we were doing, what we were doing, how to compare, last time we were, no? Isha, can you please unmute and speak? How we were comparing the numbers? First, we will count. First, we will count the number of digits. Yes.
Yes, and then check the first digit and
The number with the biggest place value. Yes.
Yes.
Biggest place value. Then, if they are same, what we will do? We will check the next.
Number.
Next place. Okay. So, in the same way, for ascending order, first you have to count the number of digits. Okay. Count the number of digits. If one number is 8 digit, another number is 7 digit, you know, naturally the number with 8 digits or the number with more digits, that is bigger. Okay. So, Anandesh, can you please unmute and we are going to do, children, are you ready with your workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anadesh, can you please tell me which one we are going to do now?
Ma'am,
Question number 17 and 18 over, no?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
so
ma'am.
which one we will be doing now? Question number 19. Page number 34. Page number
34.
34. Okay. All of you, all the children, please take your page number 34 in the workbook. And question number 19. Anandesh is going to read. All the children, please try to find out the answer by yourself. Okay. Anandesh, yes.
Arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending orders.
Arrange the given numbers in ascending
ascending
and descending orders. Anandesh, please read and count how many digits for these numbers.
9 crore.
Before saying the number name, I want you to tell me, count the number of digits in all the numbers.
Ma'am, all of them are 9 numbers. All 9
All
digits.
of them?
9 digits.
Count again. Brightlin. Okay, Ammo, can you please unmute and say how many digits in those numbers?
Ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got.
Okay, 1 minute. Ammu is, let me see with Ammu. Yes, Ammu, how many digits are there?
8.
8. Okay, Anandesh, please count again and tell me.
Ma'am, 8.
8.
7.
Okay.
8.
So all the numbers have 8 digits. Okay. So can you say the number with the 8 digits, which is the place value, the highest place value?
Crore.
Crore. Okay. Now read the number. Yes.
9 crore.
9 crore.
83 lakh.
83 lakh.
48,000.
48,000.
597.
597. Okay. Children, I'm going to share the screen. Please check, all of you. So, okay, 1 minute, okay? Let me take the... Okay. So, children, Agne, please read one more time this one. Agne, please unmute. Yes. Arrange the given numbers.
Arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending orders.
Okay, ascending and descending orders.
Order.
Okay, okay. So, we have how many number?
4.
4 number, and Anandesh told that all the numbers have same number of digits. Can you count how many digits one more time?
8 digits.
8 digits. So we children, for this we have to write all the numbers in place value chart. Okay. Okay. Can you draw that place value chart?
Ma'am, I did without drawing the place value chart.
Okay. No problem. We have, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Place value chart, how you will draw? Okay, 1 minute. You can do, children, how we were drawing place value? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Why we are drawing that, no? To make sure that all the numbers we are comparing. We have to compare which one is bigger one, and which one is the, okay. Going to share the screen. I will show you. I have, okay. Can you see that place value, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. And write all the numbers one below the other, starting with 9 crore, 83 lakh, 48,597. And below that, which one? Next number, that is 2 crore 43 lakh 27,817. Okay, below that.
Ma'am, I didn't draw the place value chart.
Huh?
I didn't draw the place value chart.
You can make it now because we have place over there. And whenever you are doing like this, no, we will not make mistakes. Otherwise, some numbers have crore, some numbers starting with 10 lakh. Then some start with this crore and 10 lakh will not be there. It will be starting with the lakh place. So there will be confusions. To avoid confusion, it's better you can draw this place value chart, and it will be you will be thorough with this. Okay, all the
Ma'am,
places. Okay.
ma'am, can I draw the place value chart under the answer?
Yes. Now we have in the next period, next page, 35. There you can draw 35.
Okay.
Okay. So children, so first what we are doing, we are arranging all the numbers in the chart, place value chart. Now, Dia, can you see the numbers on the board? Dia, please unmute. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
can you tell me which number is the biggest one? In
Ma'am,
crore
the
place
first
value.
one, 9 crore,
9 crore 83.
83 lakh,
509.
48,597.
And we have one more number starting with the 9 crore. What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
second? What is the second digit there?
97. Ma'am, 9 crore,
9 crore 71.
71
Okay.
lakh,
Okay.
24,127.
Okay. So children, you have to see which number is bigger here. But we are going to write first ascending order. Ascending order. Isha, please unmute and tell me which one will be coming in the first. Ascending order starting with the, okay, 1 minute. Please unmute, Isha. Okay. So ascending order we are going to write first. Have you written this place value chart? Isha,
Ma'am,
have you written this place value chart? It's over? Not over. Okay. Okay, I will give you time. Can you say which one will be coming first? Which is the smallest number? Look at the place value. Can you see the board?
number is 1 crore,
1 crore,
31 lakh,
31 lakh,
87,524.
87,524. Very good. Okay. Next one, which will be coming? Next one.
The next one will be
Look at the board. Okay. The numbers are on the board. Yes. I will give you time to complete.
2 crore,
2 crore,
43 lakh,
43 lakh,
27,817.
20,817. And we have two numbers starting with 9 crore. Okay. So what will be coming next?
The next one will be 9 crore,
9 crore, 71 lakh.
Yeah, 71 lakh,
24,127. Then the last one is
9 lakh,
9 crore.
9 crore, 83 lakh,
48,597. Okay, very good. Okay, children. Why we are making all these numbers? We are making in a place value chart. It is easy for us to read the numbers. We can see the place. No, 9 crore. Okay, 2 crore. Yes. Okay. That's why we are placing all these numbers inside the place value chart. Children, have you written? Write all these numbers and okay. Then we can write ascending order, descending order. All the children do alone. Then only I will show this answer here. Okay. Now, Isha has said ascending order from small to big. That she told that 1 crore, 31 lakh, 87,524, starting with then 2 lakh, 43,227,817. So what do you have to write? Ascending order. If you have written ascending order, it is very easy to write the descending order. Start from the back. Okay. Okay. Children, can you see the answer on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
After completing only you will check whether it is correct or wrong. After completing you can do alone, all the children. Okay, children, have you completed that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, first what you have to do? First you have to write all the numbers in the place value chart. So here there is no problem. All the numbers have 8 digits. And it is easily we can find out which is the smallest number from the place value chart and ascending order. If you have written from ascending order, okay, ascending order, and you can write descending order from that same answer. Start from the back. Okay, Tanya? Tanya? Abhimanyu, completed? Abhimanyu, can you show me your book? I will share the screen one more time. Abhimanyu, please show me your workbook. Huh?
Ma'am, I am complete.
Okay, okay. I'm going to share the screen one more time. Okay, check your answers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay,
Can
yes.
you write with the pen? Can
Yes,
you write
yes,
with the
yes, yes.
ascending order?
Ascending order completed. You can write with pen. Yes, yes. Then right below descending order. Children, please write neatly without any mistake. We have 8 digits. After writing one time, your number will be 2, 7 digits, 6 digit and all. So whenever you are writing large numbers, you have to pay attention. You have to count the number of digits. Here all the number of digits have 8 digits. Ascending order. One number is missing, then your answer will be wrong. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
ma'am.
children. Okay.
Ma'am.
Can we do the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more minute. They are writing now. Yes. See, children, you have to first write the number in the place value chart. You know all the places like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100. Here it's lakh, 10 lakh, crore.
Crore.
Then below that you have to write ascending order from small to big. Then descending order from big to small. I hope it's clear now. You can do alone. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, children. Okay. Now, Gautam, can you please read question number
Yes, ma'am.
20?
The names of a few countries and their population are given below.
Okay. Yes.
Use this information to answer the question that follow.
Okay. Some countries' names have been given here. Yes, Tanya, can you read what are the countries here given? Yes.
France.
France.
Iceland.
Okay, can you read the number? France. First, before reading, count the number of digits. Okay, France. Which number is? How many digits?
9.
Huh?
9.
Is it 9 for everyone?
No, ma'am. 8.
No, ma'am.
8.
8 digits.
Children, that's what I told you before clearly. Large numbers you had to read. Before reading, you have to count the number of digits properly. Don't do in a hurry. Okay, Tanya. Now read that. 8 digits. Okay, Tanya, read the number. 6 crore. 54 lakh.
40,000.
47,000.
47,000.
Yes. 300 and
170. 74.
74.
France.
Okay, please mute. Okay, please mute. I think some connectivity issues there. Okay. Devak. Now, Iceland. Can you read that number? Iceland. Before reading, you have to count the number of digits.
3 lakh
3 lakh,
17,900.
17,900. Very good. See, France is, that number is 6 crore. Here only Iceland, we have only 3 lakh. Okay. Now, Anthony. Yes, Fia. What? 17? Yes, 3 lakh 17,900. Yes. Yes, Fia. Okay.
10 seconds will be
All
not
children,
there, right?
please mute. I'm going to ask
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony, can you read the number? Iran.
Iran, 7 crore. 7 crore.
7 crore.
50 lakh.
50 lakh.
78,000.
78,000. Very good. Okay. Can you read Italy also? Italy. That.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
6 crore. 3 lakh.
3 lakh. Which place is missing there?
10 lakh.
10 lakh. Very good. 10 lakh place is missing there.
40,000.
40,000.
328.
328. Very good. Okay. Please mute. Okay. Adinath, can you read question number A?
Ma'am, what
Ah.
is the population of France?
What is the population of France? Okay. Write the number in
10.
words. Write the number. Tanya, please mute. Okay. Tanya, please mute. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Adinath. Yes. So what is the population of France? Can you say?
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is
Ma'am,
that?
Ayman.
Ayman. Okay. 1 minute, Adinath. Wait. Okay, Ayman. Yes.
Ma'am, first we should write the population number and then we should write the number name.
Yes. Okay. Before that,
Okay, ma'am.
Adinath is speaking. Okay. Ayman, please mute. I will give the instructions clearly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Some distractions. Okay. I 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Adinath is
Excuse me,
going to.
ma'am.
Yes. Who is that?
Anthony, ma'am.
Yes, Anthony. Yes.
Anthony.
Okay, Anthony. Please tell me.
Ma'am, write place value chart. We want to write the place value chart. We need to write place value
No
chart.
need. No need. No need. Okay. Wait. Wait, Anthony. Okay. Wait. See, Adinath is going to. Okay. Adinath, please unmute. Unmute.
Ma'am,
Okay. What is the? Yes. Read.
6 crore.
6 crore.
54 lakh.
54 lakh.
47,374.
47,374. So the question is, what is the population of France? So you have to write what? Population of France is, write the number. Okay, all the children, no need to write it now. I will give you time to write. First, you have to tell me the answers, then I will give you time. So what is the population of France? You have to write in a sentence. No need of place value chart. Here they are asking what is the population of France. So we have to write in sentence. The population of France is, then write the number. Write the number in words. Adinath, can you please say the number in words one more time? 6 crore, yes.
6 crore.
6 crore,
54 lakh.
54 lakh,
54 lakh. 47,000.
47,000,
374.
374. Very good. Okay, Ayman, please unmute. Ayman. Can you read question number B?
What is the population of Italy?
What is the population of Italy? Can you say what is the population of Italy?
6 crore.
Hmm.
3 lakh.
Ah.
40,328.
Okay, so how will write the answer as population of Italy is, write the number. Okay, write the
Okay,
number in words means you have to write the spellings. Okay, can you say one more time what is the population of Italy? Can you say the number name?
6 crore.
6 crore.
34,300.
34,000.
No, 3 lakh 40,000.
3 lakh 40,000.
328.
28. Very good. Okay. Now, question number next one is Alok. Alok, please unmute. Alok. Okay, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read question number C?
See, which of the countries, Iceland or Iran, has a larger population?
Iceland or Iran? Can you compare Iceland or Iran? Which one have more?
Iran.
Iran, how many?
Iran is
Count first the number of digits. Okay, don't do in a hurry. We have to count the number of digits properly, then only say the answer.
75 crore.
75 crore, is it 75 crore? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3,
7 crore.
6, 7, 8. Yes. 7 crore.
50 lakh.
50 lakh.
78,000.
78,000. So children, question number C, the question is which of the countries, Iceland or Iran, has larger population? Larger means which one we have to see which number is big, that country has larger population. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have no need to write the place value, you have to write A, question number A. The population of France is, write the number in words. Right, question number B, what is the population of Italy? You had to write. Can you do that? Okay, children. Yes. Okay. So the names of few countries are given below. Use this information to answer the question. Those who don't have the workbook with you, the question is on the board. Okay, the question is on the board. Okay. So question number A, you had to write what is the population of France? Population of France is, look at the number and write that properly without missing any digit. Okay. Next one, write the number name, the number in words. In words. Children, we have I think 8 lines in your workbook. So for each question you can take two lines. So first line you can write neatly. The population of France is, write the number. Below that, don't write in the same line. Write the number in words. That is the number name. 6 crore 54 lakh 47,374. Next question, what is the population of Italy? You can write population of Italy is, write the number. Then below that line, you can write the number name. Number in words means you can write the number name.
Answer. Can you show the answer?
Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
That I will send later. I will send later. No need. We have discussed the answer. Then
no
only
need
you
of
write it.
answers.
Later. Okay, let them complete. Now next one, which of the countries, Iceland or Iran? That already we have discussed, no? Adinath told that Iran, you had to write. Iran has larger population. Yes?
Number in words mean
Number in words means number name. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. First we should the number and after write it.
1 minute. Let me see. Why this much doubts? See, we have discussed this answer before. All these children, they said, they read the question and they have said, okay, first one, what do you have to do? Which has greater population? That what is the population of France? The population of France is. The next line, you have to write the number name. That also we have discussed the answer. Now, what is the population of Italy? The population of Italy is. The next line, you have to write the number name. And the last one, which of the countries, Iceland or Iran? Write C, then you have to write Iran has larger population. Then write the number name. Okay, children, I will send the answer. Okay, now it's the time to wind up the session. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
no
Okay, children.
doubt.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So,
Bye,
children, we
ma'am.
have
Thank
discussed.
you.
Okay, we have discussed question
Thank you,
number
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
19 and 20.
19 and
Okay.
20.
Thank you, children. Okay, bye-bye.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you
bye.
all.
Bye.